When you think of chicken farms, you likely envision chickens crammed into small cages, no bigger than an A4 sheet of paper. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, in 2023, approximately 34.4 billion chickens were raised globally, most of them forced to lay up to 300 eggs per year in harsh conditions. A world where chickens roam freely and live in harmony with nature might seem like a utopian fantasy, but it's a reality in some parts of China. Many years. Among the various free-range breeds thriving in Yangshan, the Yangshan chicken is renowned as one of Guangdong's 8 finest breeds. Yangshan chickens are muscular and easily distinguishable by their distinctive plumage, featuring a blend of 3 shades of. Thanks to their organic corn diet, they reach maturity after 4 to 5 months of roaming the hills and usually weigh around 2.5 to 3 kilograms. Apart from Yangshan chickens, other breeds capable of living at altitudes from 800 to 1,500 meters above sea level are also raised in these high hills and mountains. The stark contrast between free-range and caged chicken farming lies in the birds' living conditions. Free-range chickens spend their lives roaming open hills, basking in the sun and foraging for food, a natural existence that promotes their physical and mental well-being. However, they only produce around 100 to 120 eggs per year, each weighing about 40 to 45 grams, but the eggs are tastier and richer in omega-3, vitamins, and minerals. The active lifestyle of free-range chickens also results in more flavorful and firm meat that turns bright yellow when cooked. The journey of mountain chicken farming begins with high-quality eggs from a reputable hatchery or breeding farm. The ideal temperature for incubation is around 99.5 Dagjaf, with humidity levels ranging from 55% to 70%. It takes approximately 21 days for the chicks to hatch. In large-scale hatching operations, such as those in Ninghui County, Heilongjiang Province, China, up to 400,000 chicks are hatched yearly. The demand has increased significantly, as this place used to hatch only 70,000 chicks 5 years ago. Once hatched, the chickens are typically transferred to brooding pens, which are windproof in well-ventilated, sheltered areas. Before welcoming the newborn chicks, farmers line the pens with 7 to 10 centimeters of disinfected chaff or straw to provide insulation and warmth. And can fit 100 chicks. During the first 2 to 3 weeks, chicks are unable to regulate their body temperature effectively, so continuous lighting is used to keep them warm enough to eat and drink. Farmers provide clean, lukewarm water mixed with chick electrolyte supplements and feed them 6 to 8 small meals per day. Since the chicks are still very weak, farmers maintain strict cleanliness, washing their troughs twice a day and administering prescribed medications. As the chicks grow, they are also given organic food sources such as greens and forage to get them accustomed to the food they will find on the mountain. On favorable days, the chickens are released onto the hills early in the morning, where they spend almost all day. The hills where the chickens roam are dotted with trees, providing ample shade and opportunities for the birds to perch, play, and catch insects. The diet of free-range chickens is as diverse as their surroundings, and they are often fed outdoors. During the summer, farmers hardly feed them because there are so many grasshoppers around. Some farmers get creative and encourage their chickens to run more by feeding them behind a moving car. Studies from our world and data show that free-range chickens experience 57% to 70% less pain and stress compared to caged chickens. The European Union will ban caged chicken farming by 2027. Farmers use nests made of bamboo, wood, or leaves to encourage egg laying. In Tainan, northern China, over 50,000 chickens roam across 200 hectares of hills, laying eggs in about 30 barns on mountaintops. Farmers collect eggs twice a day, yielding up to 9,400 eggs daily from 7,000 chickens. Despite the abundance of chickens, manual labor remains essential in rural areas to provide jobs. Once collected, eggs undergo a basic inspection and light cleaning to preserve their natural protective layer. Workers place the eggs into cardboard or plastic trays, ensuring protection during transport. These trays are then loaded onto trucks for delivery to local markets and pre-ordered customers. Large-scale free-range egg producers often have on-site packing facilities, handling up to 74,000 eggs from nearby farms. These high-quality eggs are sold to supermarkets and retail outlets at free-meal outlets at a premium price of $3 to $4 per dozen, compared to caged eggs costing $1.25 to $2 per dozen. When weather conditions are unfavorable, chickens are brought indoors to ensure their comfort. Large barns provide space for the chickens to move, perch, and interact. A typical free-range barn houses around 600 chickens. Some farmers prepare fresh feed daily from locally grown ingredients and feed pellets, along with regular clean water. Farms are located to minimize predation risks, but natural predators like hawks and foxes can still pose threats. Farmers remove bushes, build sturdy fences, and monitor for predator activity. If predators are caught, they are often sold or eaten. Free-range chickens weighing between 1.8 and 2.4 kilograms have more muscle and less fat than caged ones. They are selectively caught on hills and transported to local slaughterhouses. In large-scale operations, chickens are harvested in batches on cool days to minimize stress. Facilities processing up to 15,000 chickens per hour use gas or electrified water baths to stun them. The chickens are then bled, scalded in hot water, and feathers are removed with an automated machine. Legs and internal organs are removed and packaged separately. Carcasses undergo multiple washings for cleanliness. Whole chickens, often sold with internal organs, cost around $9.23 per kilogram. Pre-cut portions are also available for convenience. If you find the exploration of Chinese chicken farms from breeding to processing fascinating, be sure to watch more videos on this topic. Your support is very important to us, and with your encouragement, we will continue to bring exciting content, celebrating the wonders of farms around the world. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.